Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make something with passion fruit again. I found passion fruit recently here and I was really so happy because it's very rare that you find it in India. So while it is in season, I thought let me try out some different recipes with it. Today I'm going to make panna cotta with passion fruit. Panna cotta actually is an Italian dessert. Usually it's made with vanilla flavor, but for variation you can also add different fruit pulps and make a different version of it. So today let's make with passion fruit. Let's proceed. These are the ingredients. We'll require about 5 to 6 passion fruits. We'll extract juice out of them. We'll be requiring half cup about, and same quantity, less than half cup fresh cream, little less than half cup full cream milk, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, flavorless gelatin, 1 small cup of Greek yogurt, mango flavored or passion fruit flavored, which is 90 grams, little less than half a cup of sugar. Now cut the passion fruits. We'll mash the pulp and extract juice out of them. I like my panna cotta consistency little firm, that's why I'm using little less than half cup of all the ingredients. If you like it little softer, you can use exactly half cup. With a spoon, remove the seeds and pulp into the strainer. Keep the strainer in a glass bowl so that the juice goes directly into it. This way, extract as much juice as is needed. I think 3 fruits should be enough to get half a cup of juice. This is sweet passion fruit. There's one other variety which is yellow skinned. That is very sour. You have to cook the juice with the sugar first and then use it for desserts. Now, with the back of the spoon, keep mashing the pulp. And you will see the juice being separated in a bowl. This way you take out as much as you need. Set it aside. Now in a pan, take 1/4 cup of water. Make it lukewarm and switch off the gas. Stir in the gelatin. It's flavorless gelatin. Take a small balloon whisk and stir it immediately so that all the lumps are dissolved. If the water gets cold, you can again lightly place it on the flame little bit. This way you whisk it until all the gelatin is dissolved completely. You have to keep stirring it very fast. Now the lumps are almost dissolved. Now we are going to stir in the juice. Whisk it again to blend both the things together, juice and gelatin. Once they are completely blended together, we'll stir in the other things. Make sure everything is cold enough before you add the milk and cream to it. Now add little less than half cup of cream. I've taken all the quantities same, little less than half cup. It makes a perfect panna cotta. Blend it well and then add the same quantity of full cream milk. Keep whisking. Now goes in the sugar. Again the same quantity, little less than half cup. Now on the low flame, you bring it back to the gas and stir it. Make sure it is just warm. Do not let it boil. It may curdle if you boil it. On a very low flame, keep whisking. Now I have taken a larger whisk. Once everything is blended, bring it back to the working platform. Allow it to cool. At regular intervals, continue to whisk it. This way everything will be blended well together and you will get a perfect panna cotta. Now the milk is cool enough so that we can stir in the yogurt. I have used mango flavored Greek yogurt because I couldn't find the passion fruit yogurt. If you find that, that is better option. Now take the serving glasses or bowls and pour the mixture into them. Alternately, you can even pour into a larger dish and serve it. For a party, even you can pour it into passion fruit shells, skins. Looks very cute and decorative too. Now set it, refrigerate it so that it is set. Takes couple of hours. Now it is ready. I have removed it from the refrigerator. We are going to garnish it a bit before serving. It is set very well. The consistency nice and firm. We'll spoon in a little bit of pulp along with the seeds. Now this is sweet passion fruit. As I mentioned earlier, if you are using the other variety which is sour, you need to cook the pulp with sugar before garnishing it. That's very, very sour. Now the passion fruit panna cotta is ready to be served. I really love this dessert. It is light and very nice. Perfect blend of sweet and sourness. Make and enjoy the passion fruit panna cotta.